Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, June 16th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 26 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we put in our Globex low this morning right after the morning news announcement at 8:30, and the market started trading higher. We actually got a pre-market half gap trade signal to get long, and that ended up producing targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 16 ticks as we went up and filled our half gap. After that gap was filled, we had a opportunity or a setup to go short, but it didn't quite meet all of our criteria. Ended up missing out by about a tick or so, and we actually got a reset to the long side. Got another signal to get long right at 10:05. Got our first contract off. Didn't get the follow through we were looking for on that one. Actually, it was coming off of a full gap fill. Missed it by 1 tick, and the market continued lower there. So ended up with a T1 minus 2 tick stop out on that particular trade, and then on that stop out coming back down through our moving average, we actually did get a signal to get short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks as we traded back down towards our open and actually a little bit below our open. Started kind of going sideways a little bit there at the 10:45 confirmation time. You can see we came back up through our moving average, got a signal to get long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks as we started trading higher again, and ultimately did fill our 4:15 and 4 o'clock gap to the upside as the market did trade higher and actually went above our Globex high and broke through our previous day's high. So we had a nice push up there during the lunchtime dead zone. Now the red area you see on this chart here, that's just a block that blocks out 11:30 to 1:15. We call that our lunchtime dead zone. We do not initiate any new trades during that dead zone, and actually coming out of that there was a quick push up. There was actually a signal here and an extension to the long side, but it was a very difficult trade, and although technically yes there was a trade here and it went on to make its target, I am not even going to count it in the video because the nature of that extension was a very difficult one, and I would say that even our experienced trading plan owners and room members probably were not able to react to that one and get the entry. So I'm just going to count that as a no trade there right at 120, 130 to try to keep the video as accurate as possible. But there was an opportunity after the 2:30 reversal time. You can see we came down here. We actually got a signal to get short. That did get its first contract off. Ended up getting stopped out of that for a 2-tick loss. So in the afternoon, just the 1 trade for a 2-tick loss. So all in all, still a great day. Had 5 trades signaled today for 26 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.